Dear friend, in this video, this is the second part of chemistry, class 10th, basically, all the topics covered of chapter acid, base and salts. Also, the topic related to modern periodic table. So, in this video, the topic covered pH scale given by Sorenson, reactivity series for displacement reaction, elements of group and periods. Trick to remember the elements group wise and important elements of M.P.T. Characteristics of important elements of modern periodic table given by Henry Moseley in 1913. So if we talk about the universal indicator, that is pH scale, there are three types of indicators. uh, First one is synthetic, second natural, and third one is universal indicator. So pH scale given by Sorenson in 1909, a universal indicator in which there are 14 numbers mentioned from 0 to 14, and these numbers shows the presence of the acidic or alkaline. That means it scales tells the solution is either acidic or basic in nature. So pH value less than 7, then the solution must be acidic, and the pH value from 8 to 14, then the solution will be alkaline or basic in nature. But if the solution have the pH 7, then it must be a neutral solution, just like water. So this is the pH and some important substance or chemical substance which have the pH value. So if you talk about gastric juice, it is basically enzymes produced by stomach and a strong hydrochloric acid by stomach which have the pH value 1 or 2. pH value of tomato juice pH 4, and pH value of human urine, that is 5. Water 7, pH value of human blood 7.4, pH value of hand soap 10, and pH value of house bleach, that is 12. Bleaching powder it could be. Some important chemical substance or natural which have the pH value mentioned in the slides, that is if you talk about battery acids, okay, which contains sulfuric acid H2SO4, which have the pH value 0. That means sulfuric acid is the most strong acid. Stomach acid pH value 1, that is hydrochloric acid. Lemon juice pH value 2, soda 3, tomato 4, coffee 5, milk 6, and water 7. Blood have the pH value blood has the pH value 8. Egg cell, okay, calcium, made up of calcium elements, that is the pH value 9. Stomach tablets, milk of magnesia MgOH whole twice, have the pH value 10. Ammonia solution pH value 11. Soap 12, bleach 13, and drain cleaners, that is the pH 14, which is alkaline in nature. So the pH varies from 0 to 6, that is acidic in nature, and 0 is the most strong acid, and 14 is the strong basics we have discussed. It defines the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. Okay, if you take the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration, that is pH equal to minus log of H plus. That means if you take the negative logarithm, because hydrogen ion in large numbers, so in a small scale we have to take log, that is on a small scale logarithm is required to represent the variations. Okay, So hydronium ion or hydrogen ion concentration defines the how the solution is acidic and strong, acid or base. The pH scale, same things, okay, uh, which I have discussed earlier. AC drain pH value 4.2 to 4.4, acidic lake 4.5, and many substances we can observe by the slides. pH scale is a universal indicator. Colors: battery acid 0, gastric acid, lemon juice, apple 3, tomato juice 4, black coffee 5, milk 6, water 7, egg 8, baking soda 9, milk of magnesia 10, ammonium solution 11, soap 12, bleaching powder na? That is the pH value 13, drain cleaner which have the pH value 14, baking soda about 9, human blood approximately 7.4. So now if you talk about reactivity series, which is related to the displacement reaction in which a strong metal element displaces least metal element from its solution. So this type of reaction is known as displacement reaction, in which the reactivity series is very important. So potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold and platinum. So this is the order of the elements from most reactive top to bottom, least reactive in bottom. And the trick to remember is काशीनाथ का माली आलू जरा फीके पकाता है. कौन है आप? This is the trick remembering this series. So Kasi, Ka for calcium, Na sodium, Na, calcium, magnesium, alu, aluminum, Zara zinc, Fike iron, Pakata plumbum that is lead, Hai that means hydrogen, Ko copper, Han है ना, Han hydrogen, आप. There are two A means 2 A, okay, one A for argentum and second A for aurum, that is silver and gold, a for platinum. If you talk about the first and second group elements, so this is the trick required for the learning first and second group elements. So the first group elements, remember by the trick, हलीना ने की रब से फरियाद, that is hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Second group elements, remember by the trick, beta मांगे कार scooter बाप राजी. So beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So this is the same trick. First group element, that is हेलिना करे रब से फरियाद, हाइड्रोजन, लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम, सीजियम, फ्रांसियम. Group first elements. Second group elements, that is बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजी या रोए, बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, स्ट्रोंसियम, बेरियम and radium. Group 13 elements, बैंगन, आलू, गाजर in थैला, that represents boron, aluminum, gallium, indium and thallium. So this is the elements of group 13. Easily remembered by the trick, बैंगन, आलू, गाजर in थैला. Okay. Group 14th element, chemistry sir gives sun की problems. So the element here, carbon, silicon, germanium, stannum, tin, that means tin, and plumbum, that is lead. So this is the elements of group 14, that is carbon, silicon, germanium, stannum, plumbum. Stannum for tin and plumbum for lead elements. Trick to remember group 16, old style से TPO. So the elements of group 16 are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Group 18th elements, Hina, Nina और Karina. Zenith Rangin. Okay, so the elements related to these tricks are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. If you talk about the metal osmium, which is the heaviest metal in periodic table by density, atomic weight 190 and atomic number 76, transition metal, solid state and hexagonal structure, which is weakly acidic in nature. Oganson, which is also the heaviest metal by atomic weight, that is 294. Atomic number, this is the last element of periodic table. Discovery in Russia, US 2002. Electrons distribution, Rn, radon, and the remaining are subsets distribution of electrons, that is SPDF. Group 18th element, which is noble gas, period 7. Appearance metallic solid, predicted. This is the gold, which have the atomic number 79. Platinum aurum, and which is a transition metal, solid in state, phase centered, cubic, equal relative strength. Crystal structure, acid base properties of higher valence oxides. Facts related to gold. Gold is only yellow colored metal which is shiny in nature. It has been known since ancient time. Okay, so actually first discovered metal was copper. After that the metals were discovered, but first metal was copper, not gold, which is also ancient time discovery. Gold properties: platinum aurum, atomic number 79, element group, transition metal, not reactive, and solid in state. Other characteristics: dense, soft, malleable, ductile, resistance to most acids, dissolve in aquaresia, alkaline solution of cyanide. Which have the density high, soft in nature, malleable, which can be beaten in the form of sheet, ductile, can form a thin wire, resistance to most acid, not react with the acids because gold is very less reactive. Dissolve in aquaresia is a very strong solution. If we mix one part of hydrochloric acid with 3 part of nitric acid, so the solution obtained is called aquaresia. So which is very easily dissolved in aquaresia and also in alkaline solution, that is cyanide, alkaline solution of cyanide ion. The solution obtained is alkaline and gold is dissolved very easily in also cyanide solution. Naturally alloyed with palladium, melting point 1064 degrees Celsius. Silver, platinum argentum, transition metal and solid in state and phase center cubic, equal relative strength. Facts related to the silver, that is silver is the most and best conductor of heat and electricity. It is the most reflective elements. Silver is one of the 7 metals known to be prehistoric humans. So it is also discovered in prehistory time period. The word silver and money are the same in at least 14 languages. The lunar crescent is the common alchemy symbol for silver. Last one is platinum. Okay, platinum have the atomic number 78, discovery by Antonio de Julio. Group 10, period 7, silvery metal, uses as a catalyst, jewelry and electrodes. Last one is tungsten, which is used in the filaments of bulb. Okay, bulb wire filaments because of high melting point. Atomic number 74, atomic weight 183.84, which is a transition metal, solid in state and body-centered cubic structure, which is weakly acidic in nature. So this is the characteristics of tungsten. Due to high melting point, it is used as a uh, wire, filaments wire in bulk. So this is all about the important elements and some basic concept related to chemistry of class 9th and 10th. Thanks for watching.